I have seen many relationships fail. Friends, relatives, even the people who once swore they'd never leave each other. And if you look closely, there's always one reason that starts the downfall. Expectations. Everyone has them. We all expect something in return. Love, care, attention, loyalty. It's human. It's natural. But expectations are a silent poison. Because the moment you start expecting, you stop giving. And that's where love begins to die. See, brother, a relationship is not a business deal. It's not a 50-50 partnership. It's 100-0 sometimes. You give, not because she deserves it every day, but because you chose to love. You see, real men don't count how much they gave or how much they got back. They give because they understand one simple truth. You can't demand love. You can only inspire it. Ask yourself today, are you investing enough in your relationship? Not money, not gifts, but time, patience, presence, and care. When was the last time you truly listened to her? Not to reply, not to defend, but to understand. When was the last time you noticed her silence and asked what's wrong, before she had to say it? Small things, brother. That's what builds connection. That's what makes her heart choose you again and again. Because anyone can say I love you, but not everyone can make her feel loved. Men today are so focused on receiving love that they forget love only grows when you give it. Love is not about getting what you want. It's about giving what she needs, without expecting it back immediately. When you stop expecting, you start appreciating. When you start appreciating, she starts trusting. And when trust grows, love becomes unstoppable. So if you really care for her, don't just say it, show it. Show it in how you treat her when she's tired. Show it in how you protect her when she's scared. Show it in how you stand by her when she's difficult to love. Because every woman tests love, not with words, but with her silence. And a real man passes that test, not by force, but by patience. Remember this. Never ask for love. Command it through your presence, your consistency, your actions. Make her fall in love with your discipline, your kindness, your emotional strength. That's what separates a boy who wants love from a man who creates it. So give first, without fear, without calculation. And when she sees the way you love, when she feels your energy, your sincerity, she'll give back tenfold. That's how real men love. They don't beg for it. They become it. So remember, brother, expectations kill love, but unconditional effort revives it. Be the man who gives, even when it's not returned. Be the man who listens, even when no one understands. Be the man who stays grounded when the world turns cold. Because the truth is simple. You don't lose love by giving too much. You lose it when you stop giving at all. Be the man who inspires love.